Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. It seems like we know almost everything about women. How many words they utter a day, why they recognize so many shades of colors, and how much lipstick they ingest in a lifetime. However, scientists decided to dig a little deeper and find out many more interesting and unusual things about the nature of women. We admit they have got quite a few surprises for you. So let's start. Number 1. Women are good at remembering that what should be done, not what has been done. Every woman is familiar with the situation of a man forgetting to buy certain foods or to take out the trash. There is a scientific explanation for this fact. In 2015, Liana Palmiro offered 100 men and women different tasks to test this memory with an interval lasting from 2 minutes to 1 day. As it turned out, women are better at remembering the task for the future, whereas the completed tasks are forgotten as they are in men. Liana says in addition to their basic work, women have a lot of household chores and they have to keep a lot of information in mind. That's how their memory gets trained. Number 2. Women are able to smell men's pheromones in a crowd. American sexologists stated that the healthier a man is, the stronger his odor is when attracting women. A woman can sense a man's presence even in a perfume store where a dozen other women have just sprayed perfume on their wrists. Besides, a female sense of smell can even identify a man's immunity. She just needs 3 seconds to do it. Scientists from the University of British Columbia concluded that a partner's odor calms a woman down. It's no surprise that a woman being far from her partner will sometime wear his t-shirt to feel closer to him. Number 3. Women fall in love slower than men. Regardless of what provokes love, the brain, heart or hormone, men usually fall in love much faster than women. Some research showed that more than 25% of men fall in love between the first and fourth dates, while only 15% of women reach the result same. In doing so, many women confess that even after 20 dates, they couldn't quite feel the butterflies in their stomach for men anymore. They needed a bit more time. After learning this, female insistence and selectiveness are quite understandable. Number 4. Toxicosis during pregnancy is good for women. Canadian researchers from Toronto find out that toxicosis during pregnancy contributes to a healthy development of fetus. Morning sickness and headache are both a result of defense mechanism that protects a fetus from harmful toxins. Thus, these unpleasant symptoms are actually good for women's health. Number 5 and the last. The higher a woman's IQ, the fewer children she has. British psychologist Satoshi Kanwaza has calculated that a woman's desire to have children decreases by 25% for every 15 extra IQ points she has. He concluded that humanity is generally becoming sillier because intelligent women don't want to have babies or give birth to just one. They prioritize self-education, self-development, career and travel. Kanwaza thinks that due to this reason, men often choose to marry women with more traditional values. Alright viewers, this was all about interesting facts about women. Hope you like these. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge as well.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.